Did you know there's a website out there that can actually pay you to work from home and earn a US dollar? Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or you're just looking for a side hustle to engage in, this platform lets you work online from anywhere in the entire globe. So stick around as I'm going to be showing you guys how to get started, and you can even start earning today. So the name of this website I'm talking about is Workana. It's a global freelance platform where clients, post projects, and freelancers like you and I can apply. You can offer services like writing, graphic design, video editing, web development, digital marketing, translation, and several other services. Unlike Fiverr or Upwork, where we have a whole lot of freelancers, it's completely saturated. Workana is less crowded. So this makes it very easy for you and I, which are basically beginners, to land projects very fast. Anyone can use Workana: students, stay-at-home parents, professionals, or anyone looking for an online income. And the best part is you get paid in US dollar, making it one of the most profitable platforms for freelancers around the entire globe. Workana pays freelancers through PayPal or Payoneer, so you can actually receive your money anywhere in the entire globe. The platform uses escrow, meaning the client's money is secured before you even start working, which simply means that your money is actually ready, and by the time you start working, it's just a matter of you completing the tasks before you receive your money. There's no such situations where you finish the job and then you start waiting to be paid. Your money is ready. All you simply have to do is to complete the project and then you receive your money right away. So to simply get started, all you have to do is to head to the site Workana, and then you simply want to sign up. To make the process even faster, you can simply continue with your Google account. And once you've actually signed up, all you simply have to do is to complete your profile with a photo. You can drop down your list of skills and also your portfolio samples for whatever service you would like to be rendering on Workana. And then from there, once you're simply done with setting up your profile and signing up, you can start applying for projects that actually match your skills. Ensure you start small, deliver high quality work, and then get good ratings. And then once you do this and you're consistent, all you simply have to do is to repeat, and then you keep growing. The more projects you complete, the more high paying gigs you can access. So if you want to start earning online from anywhere in the entire globe, Workana is a legit platform that pays you in US dollar. So simply click on the link in the description to go sign up right now and start your freelance journey. And then do not forget that this is actually a suitable platform compared to other saturated freelancing platforms out there. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell so as to receive more tips on how to make money online globally. Let's start earning together, and I will see you guys in my next highly informative video. Thanks for watching.